I think the cockatoo's a little scared. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hi. Hi. What's up? 10 Mile. Hello. Look at you. 10 Mile. Yeah. Hi, Charlie. How are you? Hi, Charlie. Hi, other cockatoo. You're beautiful. There's so many cockatoos here, and they're free, and they just fly high in the sky. It's so nice. Okay, bye, Charlie.